Hey guys, Nick Smith with Dura-Guard Paver Sealing, out here today in the Hudson Florida community of the Highlands on a very large and unique restoration project on their community brick paver retaining wall. If you look, you can see a lot of this calcium carbonate buildup all over the wall, even down here on their pavers, just surrounding the area. Now, what is causing this calcium buildup is actually the mortar and the grout that's holding all these bricks together is actually leaching out of the mortar, the cement-based mortar. It's leaching out, and if you walk around here, Brian, you can get a good view of just how nasty this is. Now, we've got a total of a half mile of this calcium buildup that's all over the surface along this retaining wall, and if you pan around, you can see just the length of the community here. It goes along the entire community, through the front, through the sides, all the way through the back. Like I said, we're totaling just a little bit over a half mile total. A lot of this wall is, peaking at 6 foot. I'm 6 foot tall, and some of it is just a little bit lower than 6 foot as the elevation increases and decreases throughout the property. I'll take you on a quick trip here, just to give you an idea. This is not one of the worst areas, and you'll see from some of our before and after photos. But just this calcium buildup that we're seeing here. It's becoming leached out from either their irrigation, their sprinklers that they have going, or something just as simple as the moisture and humidity that we have here in our subtropical climate here in the state of Florida. So follow us through this video and check out some of the before and after photos at the end. And we're going to show you guys our entire process on how we're doing things, getting it cleaned, getting it sealed. Like I said, this is a huge project, a great project for our company, and just a lot of square footage. And you can see as we go here, you see the chemical that was applied, removing that calcium, and then we're hitting it with this special nozzle attachment called a turbo nozzle, and getting it removed. See Brian holding our chemical. And again, look at how beautiful the wall has come out, as opposed to what it was with the calcium.